Hey everyone, Michael here and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business strategies and overall tricks and tips for e-commerce. Doesn't matter if you're doing dropshipping or print on demand, this is the channel you want to subscribe to. So last week I talked about a free Photoshop alternative and I got a lot of great feedbacks from my viewers. And today I want to cover 3 more useful tools that I personally use to do my product research. And these tools are free as well. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and smash that notification bell to get all my latest updates whenever I release a new video. With that, let's get started. Alright, so I just pulled up my browser and I'm on Pinterest right now. And if you've been on my previous workshops, I talk about Pinterest quite a lot because it's a good starting point to look for your designs. Doesn't matter if you're in dropshipping or print on demand, Pinterest is a great place to get the social proof and to find that winner that you're looking for. But what is frustrating about Pinterest is there's no native tool to actually search through these images to find the best popular image and put it on top. There are paid tools out there, but today I want to talk about a free tool that actually can do all that for you, and it's called PinOnTop. So let's go ahead and go through this process together. So PinOnTop is a Chrome extension. So all you have to do is go to Google and search for PinOnTop Chrome extension and you should be able to find it. Once you install that application, it'll be on your navigation bar up here. So what you have to do is go to Pinterest first and then go ahead and do your search. So for example, let's do dog t-shirt. And a lot of these images will come up, and with the old way we have to go through and see individually on different pins on these t-shirts. But with PinOnTop, once you have that installed, all you have to do is go to that navigation bar and click on that icon. So for example, let's go ahead and click on that and it will say auto load for pages, and all we have to do is sort by saves. Of course you can have 5 or 6 different pages if you want, but the more number you put here, the longer it will take. So for example, let's go ahead and do 4 pages and sort by saves and see what happens. So right now I'll go through that process to bring all the top saves to the top, so I don't have to go through individual pages just to find the hot designs that I want to get information from and get inspired by. Right? And again, every time when I talk about design research is when you look at these designs, never copy anyone's design. You have to be inspired by these designs and figure out how you can do different, how you can add your own touch to it to create something unique. And if you do create something unique, your sales will be better as well. All right, so never copy anybody's design. So it seems like it is done, and we can see some of these top phrases already is brought to the top, so we can go through these page now to find our designs that we want to create. All right, so that is the free tool that I want to talk about. The first one is PinOnTop. The second one is actually on Amazon. So a lot of people doing dropshipping, they don't know how to find winning product, but with this next tool that I want to talk about is actually pretty easy. It gives you a good direction on where to go. So for example, if you are looking for flashlights, you can go into Amazon and type in flashlight in the search bar. And then normally you can look at the different reviews and where it's located to see the sales volume. But the next extension I want to talk about is Unicorn Smasher. All right, again, you can search Unicorn Smasher inside Google and then install this Chrome plugin. But after you install it, you have to probably close down Chrome and reopen it again for this app to work. And all you have to do is go to Amazon.com, search for your product that you want to sell, and once you have that page loaded, you can go into Unicorn Smasher and look at the sales data. So right now I already click on Unicorn Smasher, and now we have data in this box right here. So we can click on estimated revenue just to see what is the top seller on Amazon right now. And then we can see, look at this product over here has close to 70,000 estimated revenue over here. Right, and we can see the different reviews down the bottom over here. So it's pretty useful to just give you an idea on what product is trending right now in the category you want to sell in. So this gives you a good idea to see what is trending here and see if you can source it on AliExpress, just to give you an direction and idea on where to go and see what kind of flashlight is actually trending. So that is Unicorn Smasher. Again, it's a free tool, so you can go ahead and search for that extension and install it onto your browser. All right, and it has to be Chrome browser. And the next tool is called Commerce Inspector. So what that is actually it can inspect Shopify stores. So whatever apps they're using, whatever product they're selling, you can actually click on that Chrome plugin and actually get that data. So for example, we have our gearbunch.com pulled up right now. It's not my site, but I just want to show you a quick demo on how it works. So once you are in a Shopify site, all you have to do is click on Commerce Inspector. It's a free tool. They do have a paid version to give you more information, but the free tool gives you some good ideas on what these good sellers or your competitors are doing. All right, so let's go ahead and find the icon, which is this magnifying glass over here. And once you click on it, you get some hidden information. Of course, if you want to have more information, you have to pay. So there is sales volume, there's products they're selling. It gives you a good idea of what's recently launched over here. All right, so if you're monitoring this site or if they're your competitors, you definitely want to see what is going on and what they're doing. And then we can see what kind of apps they are using on their store. And then for the best selling, it actually just brings you to their best selling category. This, you can basically take this extension over here and then place it on any Shopify store and you can see their best selling. All right, or just use this category. All right, so that is Commerce Inspector. It's a pretty useful tool. When I do my competitive research, I normally just do a quick check to see what they're doing and what kind of apps they're running to see if I can make my site even better as well. So those are the 3 quick free tools that I normally use just to get an idea on where to go to find my winning products and designs if you're doing print-on-demand. But I just want to show you another trick that I normally do when I'm doing my research as well. Something that I do quite often to find other sites related to what I'm doing is I will actually copy a certain search phrase just to find other Shopify stores. So for example, if I want to sell necklaces, and I know a lot of people sell with shine on, so what I can do is I can go to one of the shine on products and they have default description over here. So what you can do is copy a portion of this description and then search it on Google, and then you can have a whole bunch of sites that you can go through to get ideas from as well. All right, see, we can have a whole bunch of design ideas and just analyze different sites that is using Shine On to see how we can get creative in creating our own designs or products. Alright, so these are just free tools that you can use that you can install onto your Chrome browser to help the research process and hopefully help you find that next winner. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. Until next one, talk to you guys soon. Take care.